If your nails grow a little, and then suddenly break, peel, or just stop at the same length every time, you're not alone. And it's usually not because your nails aren't grown, it's because they're not lasting. Once you fix that, growth becomes a lot more visible. What's actually happening? On average, nails grow about 2 to 3 millimeters every month. So, growth is happening in the background. But if your nails are constantly bending, peeling, or snapping, you never get to see that growth. So instead of focusing only on growing faster, focus on reducing daily damage, water exposure, and weak nails. This is something most people don't realize. Too much water exposure can actually make your nails softer and more flexible. And while that sounds good, soft nails bend easily, and that leads to breakage. So if your hands are in water a lot, try to keep your nails protected and moisturize afterward. The way you use your nails matters. A lot of nail breakage comes from small habits you don't even notice. Using your nails to open things, scratch surfaces, or even constant tapping. These create tiny stress points in the nail. And the break usually happens later, when you least expect it. Being a little mindful with how you use your hands makes a big difference over time. Oil massage. Oiling works, but only if you're consistent with it. Your cuticle area is where nail growth begins. Massaging oil there improves circulation and supports healthier growth. Take 2 to 3 minutes, gently massage your nails and cuticles. You can use coconut oil, castor oil, or almond oil. What matters more is doing it regularly. What you eat reflects on your nails. If your nails feel thin, weak, or keep peeling, your body might be lacking basic nutrients. Protein helps build nail structure. Iron supports strength, and healthy fats prevent dryness. Overdoing nail care. Sometimes too much care can actually weaken your nails. Frequent use of acetone removers, constant polishing, or overfiling, these can thin your nails over time. If your nails feel overly soft or start peeling in layers, it might be a sign to simplify your routine. Filing and shape matters. How you file your nails also affects how long they last. Filing back and forth can create splits. Instead, file in one direction and keep the shape simple. Something that doesn't catch easily. Your nail shape should support your natural strength. Consistency over hacks. There's no shortcut for natural nail growth, but there is a pattern that works. Protect your nails during the day, nourish them regularly, and stay consistent with small habits. That's what actually leads to longer, stronger nails. Simple DIYs for stronger, healthier nails. 1. Nail growth oil. If you want something simple for daily use, you can make your own nail oil. Just mix a few drops of coconut oil and castor oil and, if you have it, a little almond oil. Massage this into your nails and cuticles for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps keep your nails flexible and reduces breakage over time. 2. Strengthening nail soak. Once or twice a week, you can do a simple nail soak. Take warm water, add a few drops of oil and a little lemon juice. Soak your nails for about 10 minutes. It helps clean the nails, soften cuticles, and makes them easier to manage. Just don't skip applying oil after, because water alone can dry your nails. 3. Nail strength paste. If your nails are peeling or feel very weak, try this once a week. Mix a small amount of honey with a few drops of olive oil. Apply it on your nails and leave it for 10-15 minutes. It adds moisture and helps improve nail texture over time. 4. Gentle nail cleanse. If your nails look dull or have buildup, take a pinch of baking soda with a few drops of water and gently rub it on your nails. Don't do this too often, once in a while is enough. 5. Overnight nail repair. This is the easiest one. Apply a good amount of oil before sleeping, and just leave it overnight. It's simple, but consistent overnight care really adds up. Healthy nails don't need complicated routines, just consistent care and a little patience. Give it a few weeks and you'll start noticing the difference.